Hi, welcome to the Trailblazers. I am Miss Jarrett, your math teacher. If you have Mr. Hall as your math teacher, please go and check out the Beachcomber video. All assignments will be posted in Schoology on a weekly basis. However, grades will be posted in Synergy. That's Student View or Parent View. Assignments could be a Google slide, they could be the online textbook, or they could be good old-fashioned paper and pencil. Please sign up for text message alerts through Remind. That way we can keep you in the loop. Looking forward to a great year.
Hello, my name is Stacy Jones, and I am 6th grade Earth and Physical Science.
And I am Miss Cross, your English teacher, and we're going to be doing a whole lot of reading this year.
Welcome to Hugo Owens Middle School. I just want to start off by saying we have had a wonderful week, haven't we, Mrs. Cross?
Yes, we have. We have got a great week, and we have certainly enjoyed all these smiling faces.
We have a wonderful group of children this year, and I look forward to working with each and every one of you. Make sure that you log on to Parent View. All information should be correct and current.
Yes, because we need to be able to get a hold of you just in case we can. And without a current email, it's hard to do.
Yes. Well, that's all for now. Thanks, and we'll see you soon. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Hi, I'm Laura Harris, your child's civics teacher. I'm so very excited about this upcoming school year. This course will present challenging information and will create opportunities for great discussion in class and hopefully for at home as well. All supplies, remind codes for communication can currently be found at my Schoology page. Just as a reminder, common supplies for all classes like scissors, glue sticks, markers, colored pencils, etc. are easily stored in a pencil pouch. Again, these supplies will be needed for all classes on a daily basis. Additionally, our Trailblazers question and answer session will be held Wednesday, September 15th at 1:30 to 2:30 and 3:15 to 4:15. An invitation to our sessions will be posted on our Schoology dashboard the day prior. Again, I'm so excited about working with your student this year, and I know it's going to be a great one.